Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all would be fine and shine. Today is our 5th class of English grammar, in which we are going to talk about preposition. We will talk about preposition and its function in this lecture. So first of all, I would write definition. Preposition is a word that shows relationship of noun and pronoun with other words. So preposition is a word that shows relationship of noun and pronoun. As I have talked about noun, that noun is a name, a person, place, thing, an idea. And pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. So preposition would show relationship of these words with other words in a sentence. What kind of preposition are there? So we are going to talk about there. Example, I would give some example. And, on, at, to, behind, beside, in front of, or in front, towards, under, below, between, among. So one by one I would explain, but keep in mind these three I will explain in detail. First of all, I would like to explain these. Like this is beside or next to, and this side also, and next to. This is above, up, and this is under, beneath, on, below. Now there are three people. So they both are, like I would say, this is Edward, and this is Maria, and this is Ali. So Edward is beside Ali, and Maria is also beside Ali. But if they are sitting behind Ali, so it would come here. Like then we can say that it is behind, or I would give you example of. So here I have already given you examples, but you should focus on this one. And I think there would be on screen. I have given the example on screen, so you can also see there. Now we should come to the other preposition like between and among. So between can be used for two people. For example, here Ali is sitting between Edward and Maria. So it became between two people. But if there are more people, more students, more than 2 students, so then we would say that Ali is sitting among the students. उर्दू में और आसान लफ्जों में मैं ये कहूँगा कि बिटवीन हम दो बंदों के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो कि उनके दरमियान कोई बेटा हो या कोई चीज़ रखा गया हो, तो उनके लिए हम बिटवीन इस्तेमाल करते हैं। लेकिन अगर 2 से ज़्यादा बंदे हो तो उनके लिए हम क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं, हम उनके लिए अमंग इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जिस तरह के यहाँ पर मैंने आप लोगों को अमंग लिखा हुआ है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर अली है, इसलिए मैं दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ उर्दू में कि आप लोगों को समझ आ जाए। यहाँ पर मैं इसको मिटा देता हूँ। अली इज सिटिंग बिटवीन मारिया एंड एडवर्ड। सो यहाँ पर एक दो बंदे हैं, लेकिन अगर मैं तीसरा बंदा भी लगा दूं यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ पर फिर अमंग हो गया कि अली इज सिटिंग अमंग द स्टूडेंट्स। व्हाई? क्योंकि यहाँ मैं बिटवीन जो है 2 के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं और 2 से ज्यादा के लिए हम क्या इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अमंग इस्तेमाल करते हैं। यहाँ पर कुछ और एग्जांपल्स भी हैं। टुवर्ड्स है, तो टुवर्ड्स whenever we use direction, for example the snake is coming towards you, so it was for direction and others. Now I would come on this one in detail. यहाँ पर मैं first of all talk about and then on, then at. एंड भी किसके लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जब कोई चीज बाउंड्री हो, बाउंड्री के लिए और मंथ्स के लिए, सेंचुरीज लाइक ईयर्स के लिए। तो इन चीजों के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं। और फॉर सिटी वी आल्सो यूज, फॉर विलेज and country. For example, boundary. I'm teaching and I'm taking class here in the room or in the classroom. So I would say I am taking class at the room. So यहाँ पर I use n. N mean and boundary. Then before name of the months we also use, for example, I will come in July. So here I use n before months and year. She came in 2002, or she had come in 2002. So यहाँ पर मैंने years के लिए इस्तेमाल की, city के लिए for example I live in London. That is also, but I would say that I live in Peshawar, or I live in Lahore, or I live in Delhi. So here I use for city and village. For example, I live in Bamboo. It's a village in Mexico. Or I say I live in Cartland. So these are for village. For country, so I live in America or England. So यहाँ पर इन किस चीज के लिए मैंने इस्तेमाल किया, यहाँ पर मैंने लिख दिया। Now we should come on. So on we use for surface, days, and yes, I forgot one thing, and then we can also use for short period of the day. For example, in the morning, and evening, etc. Surface, days, dates we use for this in specific days as well. Surface, for example. I'll give you here an example. For example, marker is on mobile. It is on. So when something is on surface, so then we would use surface on. I am sitting on the chair. Here is different. Some people say that, well, why can't we use N instead of on here? So keep in mind, we have two kinds of chair. One chair is that which has handle. So if you are sitting and the chair which has handle, so then we would use N. But that chair which doesn't have handle, so then we would use on. Then days, so for days, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. So here I use on before name of the days. Now we should come on date. So on 15th July, on 14th August. Keep in mind for full date, we use both of them, N and on as well. For example, on 15th July 2002. But if July come first, if month come first, so N July 15th 2002. So both of them can be used. Specific days, for example, on Independence Day, on Eid al-Adha, on Women or Children Day. So it was the usage of on. Now we should come on it. So at can be used before o'clock, before time. For example, at 2 o'clock, I will come here at 2 o'clock, or at 5 o'clock. And also for specific places, at the bus station, at the gate of university, and we can also use at and in and those conditions where, for example, if we are living for a short time, so there we can use at, and if we are living somewhere permanently, so then we can use and. This usage must be kept in mind. So if you are having any kind of problem in preposition and its usage, so you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon that you get the latest videos from our channel. Thank you.